I'm Stephanie.
And today we're at Lake Talquin again, and we are at Stoutamire Landing.
Today is pretty windy, as you might be able to tell. It's about 50 degrees. We're paddling out to one of the fingers on the lake, but we're contending with some, waves and stuff, so a lot of fun.
Yeah, it's a little choppy on the water, so we'll see how far we get, but you know what? We're excited to be here, and come join us. So here at the Stoutamire Landing, there is 2 docks, which is nice. There's a floating dock, which is usually easier to get on from a kayak, and then there's a wooden dock, and then there's another dock over here that I bet you would use for fishing. So this is the landing. It's nice. It has a playground, and it has some nice bathrooms. I talked about those in our last video. That was Elkhorn Landing. And there's some parking if you have a trailer. So if Stephanie brought her trailer, she'll probably park down there. And I'm just parked over here.
Pack your bags and fire at the engine. Drive until your heart can feel the mountains. Drive until your eyes are barely open. Gotta find the answers to the questions.
So we are about middle of the lake. We're trying to make our way to the side. So Stephanie, how's it going so far?
Oh, fun. Yep, love getting wet.
My legs are wet, but it's still fun. Let's make it over there, hopefully. Worst case scenario is we stay on the side and call an Uber.
It takes you back to singing in your bedroom. When all these songs are still a dream inside of you. Back before you had to carry on. Leave your shadows by the ocean. Carry on. The past is frozen, the future's open wide. The future's open wide. Now your heart is flipping through the memories. Did you ever find what you were missing? Oh, oh,
So we found a nice little rock tree something or other to have some lunch. So Stephanie, what did you bring?
Wassail.
She's
Here
gonna
we go, wassailing again, or something like that. It's a
So I'm gonna
Christmas
try
carol.
it. Don't put too much in because I don't know if I'll like it. I probably will because
It's sweet. It's made with
Oh, okay.
a bunch of fruit juices and a little bit of tea.
Okay.
Sugar, cranberry juice, apple juice, orange juice, a little bit of lemon juice, some sugar, some tea, and then spices like cloves and cinnamon.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Let me try.
Don't swallow a clove.
She's been overemphasizing the don't swallow a clove
They
part.
don't feel good in your throat, so.
It's good. It smells like a candle, not a bad candle, but I feel like the flavor is light. It's like a light flavor.
It's my mom's recipe, but my husband has taken it over and makes it himself. So, and then it's
You're big-
really good with a little bit of rum.
Oh,
So-
no rum in this?
No, I didn't put rum in this because
smart.
day drinking while kayaking on in windy conditions is not the best idea.
Stephanie brought me a bag of meat.
It's smoked turkey. I smoked it on my Kamado Joe.
Mmm.
Got it?
Yeah? There's water.
There's water. We're gonna have to lift it up a little higher.
I'm too short.
All right, hold on.
I'm too short. I'm also at an angle.
Here, let's put it down.
We're almost there. Okay, we just finished kayaking Ben Stoutamire Landing, and what'd you think?
It was really neat, very pretty. We've done this lake several times, so the lake was nothing really new. A little choppier than normal. It was kind of so choppy. We had some guy on a pontoon boat stop and offer to give us a tow. We told him, no, we're fine. We're just out here having fun.
Yeah.
We don't need help.
But it was cold today, which was actually really nice. I wasn't overly cold, were you? Yeah, it was
I had layers.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
it's just, you just have to dress for you're supposed to dress for the water temperature,
Yep.
not the air temperature, but you should also dress for the air temperature.
Yes.
So we were here today at Ben Stoutamire. So we've only got 2 left: Wainwright Landing and Blunt Landing, and then we've got the dam. What did the fish say when it hit the brick wall? Damn. Sorry.
Thanks for joining us. Have a great day.